Hi friends, this is Atul. Welcome to World Travel with Atul. I have been to almost 48 countries, and believe me, one of the amazing, interesting and wild experience I ever had was in Oktoberfest 2024 in Munich. I was there last year. I recorded everything on my own. So in this video I'm going to tell you a complete travel guide to October Munich 2025. This video is not just about the beers, it's about the food, traditional outfits, how to save money, regarding the parking, whether you should carry cash or not. This video is going to save you lots of money of yours. And if you're planning to give a visit to Oktoberfest Munich 2025, you should watch this video till the end. Oktoberfest is not just a festival, it's once in a lifetime experience. Imagine 6 million people from all over the world gathering in Germany, Munich to celebrate Bavarian culture, food, music, and of course, the best of the best, the world famous beers over there. But trust me, guys, it's way more than just drinking beers. So, in this video, I will take you inside Oktoberfest with my own footage of the last year, 2024. I am going to share insiders' tips, real cost of things, and the do and don'ts, so you can enjoy it like a local and feel like a Bavarian and can correlate with the culture and avoid the tourist traps. So, what is Oktoberfest actually? Let's go back. It began in 1810 when Bavarian Crown Prince Ludwig married Princess Therese, and the citizens of Munich were invited to celebrate. The party was such a hit. They decided to repeat it every year. And here we are, more than 200 years later. It's the world's biggest Volksfest or People's Festival in Munich. So today, Oktoberfest attracts families, tourists, and locals like us. There are huge tents, carnival rides, parades, traditional outfits, and food stalls everywhere. Honestly, even if you don't drink beer, you will still have the best time of your life. Trust me, I experienced that last year. In 2025, Oktoberfest runs from September 20th to October 5th in Munich, Germany. The festival happens at a massive open ground called the Theresienwiese or Theresa's Meadows. The entry is completely free. There is no need to pay anything. You won't be paying to get in, but you do pay for food, drinks, and rides, which might be a little expensive from outside. So, my tip here is go on weekdays if possible. Weekends are absolutely packed. You will see people from all over the world. If you go early in the day, especially before noon, you will actually find tables and avoid the wild rush. Now let's talk about the world famous beer tents. The main attractions, the beer tents. There are over 14 big tents and 20 smaller ones, each with its own unique vibe. The wildest, most international crowd. Hofbrau Festzelt, Augustiner Festhalle. Locals love this beer. Beer is served from wooden barrels. Scott Hamill, the tent where the mayor taps the very first key to officially start Oktoberfest. Cafe's Vision Snack, smaller exclusive tent, often filled with celebrities. You might see a lots of world-renowned celebrities over there having a cup or mug of beer. And sorry in advance, my vocabulary or the accent might sound different because I am not a native of Germany. Okay, so please try to understand this. And the one more important tip, you don't have to book a table in advance. If you just in a small group, just arrive early and you will find a spot. But if you are in a big group, reservations open months before and they go fast. So if you're planning for September 2025 Oktoberfest, you should plan early. Now let's talk about the food at Oktoberfest. Chickens, pretzels, sausages, roasted chickens, yummy. Oktoberfest food is just as legendary as the beer. You will find giant pretzels, roasted chicken, pork knuckles, bratwurst sausages, and sweet Bavarian desserts, which you would love to eat. A half chicken will cost you around 15 euros, pretzels around 5 euros, and meals inside tents can easily go up to 20 to 25 euros. I know it's pricey, guys, but you are paying for the whole experience, which is unforgettable. My professional tips on this is try the Wetza, a Bavarian cheese spread with a fresh pretzel, absolutely heaven. You will feel like you are in heaven, guys. Now let's talk about the outfit and culture. One thing that makes Oktoberfest really special is the outfit. You will see men in lederhosen, leather shoes with suspenders, and women in dirndls, traditional dresses. Don't worry, guys, you don't have to buy expensive ones because expensive ones can go up to 1000 euros. So there is no need to go for that. You can rent or buy budget versions in Munich for around 50 to 100 euros easily. And honestly, wearing them makes you feel part of the tradition. People are friendlier and you will get better photos too. And I experienced this last year. Plus, there is traditional Bavarian music, parades, and rides. It's literally like stepping into another world, a dream world. Now, let's talk about cost and money saving tips which might be useful to you. Okay, let's talk about the real numbers. In 2024, a liter of beer called a Mab in Bavarian or German language costs around 12 to 15 euros. In 2025, expect around 14 to 16 euros. And if you're riding a meal and you are spending 30 to 40 euros or a little bit over it per person for just one round of food and drinks. But here is how to save money. You can just eat outside the tents before you go in. Street stalls are cheaper. Don't buy souvenir inside Oktoberfest. Shops around Munich are half the price or less as compared to Oktoberfest. Carry some cash. Most tents still don't accept cards. Guys, I have experienced this in my last trip to Oktoberfest 2024. The stalls don't accept cards. They accept cards if you're paying more than 10 euros, buying something which is actually priced over 10 euros. So generally, they don't accept cards. So you need to put some cash in your pocket so that you can feel ease at the Oktoberfest. And remember, you don't have to drink 5 beers to have fun. One or two is enough, and you still feel the spirit of Oktoberfest. Insider do and don'ts, which can be really beneficial for you if you are the first timer. A very few do and don'ts to make your trip smooth. Do arrive early if you want a seat. Otherwise, you need to just stand. Do wear traditional outfit if you can. You will feel part of the tradition. The people are really welcoming and great to get your photograph. Do learn one German word, Prost, cheers. And there are some things which you need to be taken care of. Don't stand on the table, security will throw you out. And this can really happen. So you need to keep this in mind. Don't expect waiters to split bills for big groups. Bring cash and small change. Don't leave bags unattended. Oktoberfest is safe, but it's crowded. Okay, the whole summary. Let me give you an overview again. Oktoberfest is chaotic, colorful, and completely unforgettable. Whether you go for the beer, the food, or just to experience Bavarian culture, it's something every traveler should do at least once in their life. I hope this guide helps you plan your trip in 2025 and make the most out of it. Pros, I will see you at the vision. And one more thing I would like to add from my personal round of experience, the people who are going for the first time and the people from Asia and especially from India or the people from the Africa, there are quite famous attractions near the Munich. If they have already explored the Bavarian, the Oktoberfest, they can visit a day tour to Salzburg, Austria, which is like 2 hours drive from Munich. You can take a car, you can take bus, train. It's a day trip. You can explore the beautiful attractions in Salzburg. And believe me, guys, Salzburg is more beautiful than so-called Switzerland. And if you have a dream to visit Switzerland, it's also quite near to the Munich, 4 or 5 hours drive from there. So you can just give a day or two to the famous Zurich. And moreover, if you are a lovebird, you can just visit the hometown of the Juliet, which is in Verona, Italy. It's also like 6-7 hours from Munich. You can take a bus, train, overnight bus, and you can explore the beautiful city of Verona. And believe me, guys, it's one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. I like it better than Milan. I've been to Milan also, Rome, but Verona is my favorite. So by taking these tips, you might be able to explore very beautiful attractions beside the world famous beer festival Oktoberfest 2025. So guys, have a great day and hope some of you might see you in the Oktoberfest 2025 at the Munich. Thank you and have a great day.